From time to time, I get asked what it's like. What does it look like? The workshop video training. What does it look like? So I'm going to show a little bit of day 1, a little bit of day 2, and a little bit of day 3.
And then put the BIG over the opportunities. Big problems equal big opportunities. If somebody needs something, and they really need it, they're desperate to get it done, you understand that's the opportunity you're looking for, the need. Okay? You focus on the need. Everything gets focused on the need. What's the need? Do you have a budget? Once I understand the need, I focus on it, I understand it, repeat it back to them. Is there anything else you want to elaborate on? Or anything else I should know? Okay, problems like that usually have a budget associated with it. Can you share that with me? You understand how we go from the need, fully understanding the need, and then to the budget, figuring out what the budget is before we get
Costs are more than our contract amount. I don't know how to get that money. Can you ask your attorney? Now, let me tell you something that I know that I didn't finish this sentence for you. Seth calls me up and says, what do I do? And I told him one of two things are going to happen. I said, number one, you're going to get 100% of your contract amount with 0% complete without doing any of the work. I told him that up front. Don't you just love what I can say to people? Okay, 2. Or you're going to get a big fat change order. Don't you love change orders? Some change orders can be big fat change orders. So I said, now if those are the only 2 outcomes, it's either this or this, you would think he'd be pretty satisfied with the conversation, right? Mm-hmm. So he says, what do I do next? What it does next, I said, you need to get the inspector to go out there and look at that and agree that it's different. That's all you need. You need him to look in there and go, yep, that's bigger. That's all you need him to do. No money, no nothing, just yep. Okay? So he calls the inspector out. The inspector, yep. He says, what do I do next? Tell the inspector that he should, hey, you should ask the contracting officer to send me an email asking for a price for the bigger size. Because that's legitimate, right? How many times do contracting officers send out an email and say, oh, okay, well, give us a price? That's not a marriage. That's not a commitment. All it is give me a price, right? How many times does the contracting officer ask you, give me a price? So,
do you remember me saying that the rule was if there's only one bidder, and that bidder is 15% or more above the government estimate, they cannot award the contract? Why does our government, in their infinite wisdom, have that rule?
Protect tax dollars money.
Protects tax dollars, right? Because Sally, what's she trying to do? Get George's job done. He needs it. It's his money. He went and asked for it to fix his fish hatchery. It's sitting on her desk. He needs it done. It's not going to get done until she finds a contractor she can award it to. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So suddenly somebody turns in a bid for $1 million, and it's only $100,000 worth of work, and they got all this money left over in the budget, and it's real easy just.
And then here's what it looks like in real life. You just log into the member site, you go into the workshop, and you just hit play. You can pause it, rewind it, watch it over again.
You need to understand this.
So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little videos I just showed you. That's the workshop, and if you have any questions, comment below, and I'm happy to answer them. Have a good one.